talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Braille app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When just click on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. So then you go down, you just keep going down here, click here on apps, come to apps list here, and there you're looking for Braille app, you just click on it here, or just click on search. Then here add Braille app, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your place store, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you this like this. You click search here for Braille, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.